So I think in as much as we critique where we may not be going the right way, we also be able to tell. It's good we also be honest and tell the people what has been done and achieved. So I think it's quite unfair maji ikiharibu barabara yetu huko tulalimikie governor. We should only give some time. Mvua iki nini iko plan ya kuanzisha maintenance ya mabarabara mpaka watu saa nyingine wanashindwa. Hii si kawaida. But we know saa nyingine tu tunajaribu una oversight na unaenda extreme. Unaweza kuwa unataka kiti ya governor, but at least not for now.
So that's why we are saying, as the people of Narok, we are watching, we are looking into your eyes, and we are saying that stop disrupting the county. There are years that we were complaining that the counties were not working, and none was even speaking from those who purport to stand for oversight. See, and now the counties are working. You know, you just need to bear with the people, because now you are disturbed. Like myself, I am from an area that for over 15 years, the only development we have seen is small CDF development. Yeah, and now we can really feel. This year, we've seen a hospital built for over 30 million. That's something that we can't even really try to imagine from our place. It is very remote. Oh, if we see somebody coming out and saying, oh, these things are not working, you see, it's the role of the Senate to actually even summon contractors. If contractors do a shoddy work, you see, both the county government and the Senate and the county assembly should work in correlation.
Na ripoti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũhe kamwe